Hey, welcome back. I'm Cheryl with a C, and today we're doing not makeup, but nails. I recently purchased a ton of nail stickers, I guess you could say, from NCLA, not Los Angeles. And I spent maybe like 60 bucks or something like that and got all these goodies. So I just wanted to share them and also some first impressions. These, I believe, are normally $16, but what I did is I went into the sales section, and a lot of these were $4, $6. I think a couple of these were half price at $8. So pretty affordable if you go to the nail section. The sales section. And I did try one set already that I won't show because I already put them on and took them off. But what I didn't realize, so you have to know that these are not acetone based. They're basically like stickers or vinyl that go on top of your nail, and then you have to go ahead and remove it. You can't take it off with nail polish remover, which is like how the Sally Hansen nail design thingies are, which I really like because you can use just nail polish remover on them. So there were a few seasonal ones that I got. A couple of these I will do for Halloween, if you can see. Some spider webs and then some skeletons for Dia de los Muertos. And then I got some Christmas ones too. So I believe these are probably from last year. That's why they were on sale. And then the majority of the ones I got were like a negative space look. So meaning when you put these on, it's going to look like it's just on top of your plain nail. And then there's a design on top of it. So this is... what is this called? I don't know what this is called. They have names. It's like a ballet lace-up kind of thing. This is like a, I don't know. I wish these had names. I don't know. So these actually, they say, they're a little different. This one says wear alone or with nail polish, and this one doesn't say it. So this one you could probably put a color underneath. And put this on top, and you'll see the design, which will be really cool. And like I said, I got these all out of the sale section. This is like a zipper thing. You could probably, so again, you can wear it with nail polish underneath. And then this one too, I think has color. These kind of like cutesy, kawaii ones that I got. And lastly, I got a bunch of multicolor ones. So this like red camo, I think it'll be really cute. This I thought was really fun and colorful. They're like playing card designs. And then this too. So this says, oh, these are called nail wraps. And what I think is going to be cool with this particular one is I can do different colors on my nails and maybe put one or two of these on accent nails. And they're all different. So that'll be cool. And then what's nice too, I think it's free shipping if you spend... Hello, focus. Free shipping if you spend $25 or more, and then they offer you a free gift that you can choose. So I got this little thing to put stuff in, I guess the nail wraps, and then they gave some stickers too. So I did use one set like I mentioned, and you have to remove them. So they basically peel off in one piece. And what a tip that I found online is I got some coconut oil, warmed it up in the microwave, and then let my nails soak in there a little bit. Maybe like 2 or 3 minutes, and then they peeled off really easily. So maybe next time I'll do like how to the next time I put these on, and a removal one too. So hope that helped and you enjoyed the video, and see you next time. Thanks.